question. See how easy questions have been asked in case of probability. Very, very simple questions have been asked. The probability of getting head in toss is 2/3. Let the coin be tossed 3 times independently, then the probability of getting head in first 2 tosses and tail in the final toss is. So it is asking what is head, tail, tail, and these are independent. So it will be probability of head into probability of head into probability of tail. This is head, head, tail now. So 2/3 into 2/3 into 1/3. So this will be 4/27. So very simple question has been asked in probability. Therefore, basics are very, very important. Okay, come to the next.